Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Muntasser and welcome to the American Training Academy, the place where you will unlock your potential to achieve the best in your life. Today, I came to share with you one skill that will help you to communicate effectively with your family, friends, or even your colleagues at work. This skill is active listening. Today, I want to talk with you about 5 things that will help you to be an active listener. The first one is to maintain an eye contact with the person who is talking to you. It's very important. Second, you need to pay attention for the body language. Body language is part of the non-verbal communication. So by paying attention to the body language, you will be able to understand the message clearly. Third, you need to focus on the message. Most of the people will be thinking about what are they going to say instead of listening to the message. So you need to focus on the message. And fourth, you need to feel free to ask questions for more clarification. And fifth, you need to summarize what has been said in order to make sure that you understand the content clearly. If you did those 5 things, you are an active listener. And now it's your turn to formulate your opinion, to respond, and to communicate effectively with the other person. Today, we shared with you this one skill that will help you to communicate effectively, and this skill is active listening. It needs practice, and till we meet on Tuesday, remember, it's never too late to start living the life that you have dreamed about. Thank you so much for joining us.